Hey friends, welcome back. I'm so excited to be shooting this video today because fall is my favorite season out of the entire year, where my fellow Virgo's at. Of course, this is my first fall in our new house, so I had so much fun decorating. So I tried not to go too overboard this year. I didn't buy that many things. I also like a more minimalistic look. I also did a really fun DIY project that has been going around like crazy on YouTube. Make sure to stick around to the end also because I'm going to be showing you guys my recipe for the charcoal latte I've been enjoying lately. It just has that whole like witchy fall vibe to it, like spooky vibe to it. I think you guys are really gonna like it. If you haven't already, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of fun videos coming up, and let's get decorating. First thing I'm gonna do today is my DIY project. I've been seeing all over YouTube people upcycling their vases using acrylic paint. And I thought, what a great idea. So I looked around my house, grabbed a few things that I thought that I could upcycle, and then also went on Facebook Marketplace and found all of these big vases, including this one back here, for $20 from one person. So I have that, I have a planter here, I have a bottle of Gentleman Jack that I think looks like a pretty vase, and I have a couple of craft pumpkins. So we're gonna try this out. I don't know if I have enough paint to cover everything, but I'm going to try. While I'm doing all of this, I'll probably turn on some kind of fall movie, probably Harry Potter, and get to work. So I went out to the craft store and picked up a set of brushes and 4 paints. A lot of the paints are sold out, so I just tried to grab the most aesthetic, neutral, slightly terracotta-ish paints that I could find. I figured that I could mix some of them together as well. And then I also picked up some baking powder because we're going to be mixing the paint with baking powder, and it gives you this kind of terracotta ceramic finish to your paint job. The measurement is for every 1 cup of paint, you want to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And you're going to mix that up and then apply 1 to 2 to 3, however many coats you need to get that nice finish. So here are my finished vases. I'm so happy with how they turned out. I think they all just look beautiful. They all really just go together really, really well. This one, honestly, the vanilla colored one is my absolute favorite, so I wish that I had done more that color, but I can always do that in the future, and I'm so excited to kind of set these up around the room. So I didn't really order many more Halloween decorations this year. The only things I grabbed were these yoga skeletons. I thought they were so cute and just so chill and kind of go with the vibe of my whole house. And they actually sold out crazy fast at Michael's. They were gone everywhere. So I ordered them online. They came in, and actually like 3 of them were broken, and luckily I was able to just kind of super glue them back together. But this one, I hadn't noticed that the little hands broke off from the top, but honestly it's not that noticeable. It's fine. They did have a couple of cat statues. We don't have any cats, but I did see this dog doing downward dog, and I thought that was so cute. So I picked up the dog as well. I'm just gonna kind of scatter them around my decor for like a little bit of creepiness, a little bit of Halloween vibes. And then another thing I had to grab, of course, is this yoga skeleton pillow. I just thought it was so cool. The first thing that I grabbed was this neutral plaid table runner from Target, and it just adds so much to this table space, and the colors really complement the vases that I just painted. So the next thing I grabbed were these adorable signs from Kirklands. They were $20 together, and obviously they say autumn skies and pumpkin pies. I thought that was so cute. Love the colors, love the vibe. Can't wait to hang them up. I think they're gonna go right up on this wall over here. I'm not sure if they're still available, but if they are, they will be linked down below in my Like to Know It account. I also grabbed one candle. I'll probably go back and get some more, but this one I grabbed from Ross. I think it was from Ross. Yes, I got it from Ross. It was like $6 and it's pumpkin souffle. It smells so good. I think this one's gonna go on my coffee table. I also grabbed some dried florals from Michael's. I just mix and matched some of the colors that I liked, and I've already kind of prearranged them to know which vases they're gonna go in. And then the last thing I grabbed was this garland. It's just like maple leaves, and that's gonna go across my fireplace. I did actually, however, since then see that they came out with one that's a little more neutral, so that's one that I would have personally gotten, but this is gonna add like some good fall color to my fireplace. I also grabbed this fluffy nude throw blanket from Ross, and I'm just going to toss that along the back of my couch and add my throw pillows. The first one I've had for a while now. It came from Marshall's. I absolutely love it, and I thought it would look great with the new pillows I picked up, which are these two rust-colored pillows that I got from Ross as well. The pair of them was $14, so I couldn't really pass that up. And then I'm also adding my Harry Potter pillows. So here's what my house looked like before, and then what it looks like now. I love it so much. Time was waiting for us to find ourselves and lose control. Never want to let this go. Into the cold. Not afraid to fall if this is something real. Not afraid to find our way whenever what we feel might roam. Time can only make this glow. This firestone. Waking up inside a dream. Future memories in the in-between. Nothing left to hold back. Your radiance is next to me. We can set the seasons free and let them be. Not afraid to fall if this is something real. Not afraid to find our way whenever what we feel might roam. Now it's time to finally show you guys my charcoal latte. It's super easy. First you're going to start with 2 cups of your milk of choice. I used almond milk, and you're going to heat that up in a saucepan on the stove. You're also going to add some maple syrup and a little bit of activated charcoal powder and some ginger powder. And you're also going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Then you're gonna stir all of that together and let it heat up. You don't want it to boil, you just want it to get nice and warm. And it turns this really cool gray color as you start to stir everything in. Once you've poured it into your favorite cup, then you can drink it as is, but I wanted to add a few things. So I added a cinnamon stick, which was too short for my glass, so it actually just sunk in, but I promise it's in there. And then I splashed a little bit more ginger powder on top and added some cloves and an orange wedge. This drink is actually so yummy and comforting, and I love having it during the fall season. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I feel so comfy and cozy in my home, and I just love how everything turned out. I'm so excited for the fall decor going into the Christmas season, and you guys know there will be another video when it's time to decorate for Christmas. So make sure to stick around for that. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you like this video, also please give it a thumbs up. It helps more than you know. It takes 2 seconds to do. I hope that inspired you guys for your homes as well for this fall season. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.